Hi, welcome to POIT.
In today's video, we are going to learn how to freeze rows and columns. So I have a list of employees. If you want to see the details, first row or first column or according to your preference, you can freeze the rows and columns. So we will learn how to do that. So for that, you need to click on view. Then you need to click on freeze panes. And if you click on freeze top row, the first row will be freezed. So this first row will be freezed. If you scroll down, you can still see the first row. And if you want to unfreeze it, then you need to click on unfreeze panes. So it is unfreezed now. And same way, you can freeze the first column as well. So for that you need to click on freeze first column. So if you scroll right side, then you can still see the first column. So this is how we freeze first row and first column. So I'm unfreezing it, and you can freeze particular number of rows and columns as well. For example, I want to freeze first row and these two columns. Then I need to place my cursor on C3. So, sorry, it is a C2. And you need to click on freeze panes and freeze panes. So, the selected cell, whatever the active cell, the top rows and left side columns all will be freezed. So I have selected this cell. So above this I have first column, and beside this I have these two columns. So these will be freezed. Let's check. So if I scroll down, I can see first row, and if I scroll right side, I can see first two columns. So same way, if you want to freeze like first three rows and these columns. So you want to freeze till department, and you want to freeze first three rows, then you need to click on this cell. So this is an active cell now. So above rows and beside columns all will be freezed. Let's check that. So you need to click on freeze panes. So above this David shoe, we have 3 rows, and beside this we have 5 columns. So all will be freezed now. See, 3 rows are freezed, and if you scroll right side, the 5 columns are freezed. So according to your preference, you can freeze a single row, single column, or any number of rows and columns according to your preference. So if you want to unfreeze these rows and columns, you need to click on unfreeze panes. Thanks for watching this video, guys.